Tesla redefined electric vehicles with the Model 3. But has the 2026 version raised the bar even higher? Spoiler alert, it absolutely has. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're taking a comprehensive look at the 2026 Tesla Model 3, and there's a lot to unpack. Design. Starting with the design, Tesla has refined an already sleek silhouette. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 features cleaner lines, updated lighting signatures, and a more streamlined front fascia. Inside, the minimalist cabin continues to impress with premium materials, improved seating comfort, and that signature expansive glass roof. Everything feels purposeful and uncluttered. Performance. Now performance. Whether you choose the standard or performance variant, acceleration remains thrilling. The dual motor setup delivers instant torque and confident all-wheel traction. Range has improved too. Expect figures pushing beyond 350 miles on a single charge. The low center of gravity from the battery pack keeps handling sharp and planted through every corner. Features and technology. Let's talk technology, Tesla's bread and butter. The central touchscreen remains the command hub, now faster and more responsive. Full self-driving capabilities continue evolving. Autopilot feels smoother, and over-the-air updates keep the car improving long after purchase. Enhanced voice controls, premium audio, and seamless smartphone integration round out the experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 proves that innovation doesn't stand still. It's efficient, exhilarating, and smarter than ever. Would you make the switch to electric with this Model 3? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped, hit like, share it with friends considering an EV, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest automotive insights. See you next time.